Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back in this thing. Today's eye look is going to be on this look, y'all. I tried to give y'all a simple look. This is the look. It is so pretty, it's soft, it's like so easy to do. It's out of this palette that I picked up today. This is the 18T Truth or Dare palette from Morphe. I actually love this palette. And then on the lid color is this shade out of the Juvia's Place palette. To use my code BMarie to save you some money. So these two products I picked up today, and I actually love them. Especially this highlighter too. It's so pretty. It's not really harsh. It's glittery, but it's like a real pretty glittery. It's not sheer glitter. It's like there. It's like, baby, it's there, and it's blending into the skin really perfectly. I love that. But yeah, y'all, this palette is something simple. Give y'all something simple to do. Something, okay, like, girl, I want to be up out of here, but I want to know how can I do a pretty eyeshadow look with like two transition colors in the lid shade. You know what I'm saying? I think it came out really pretty and soft. So yeah, I don't want to keep y'all long. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. We're back with another video, but today's video is going to be simple. I want to do a bold look, but it's late. I don't have any primer on as of yet. I'm not gonna take 6 because I just want to take 4. We want to try to use as less product and stick with the same palette as possible. So I want to take number 4, and this is from P. Louise. Y'all know I love my P. Louise base. I got these two palettes today from Morphe. Morphe, could you just sponsor me? Like, I'm tired of bad palettes, okay? 18T palette, Truth or Dare. I probably might use this one because it has all the colors that I want to use. I don't know, I've been so into neutral palettes. Like, ooh, it's so pretty. This color right here, it's like a dark brown. And I didn't even swatch these colors. Oh, I like this. So pretty. I like that creamy nude too. Well, not creamy. Yeah, it's creamy, but it's like a nude. Pretty simple look. It's creamy. This shit creamy as hell. Damn, creamy as hell. So I'm just putting this brown on the outer V area. Okay, outer V area. You see this color with this color right there. P. Louise brush. We're gonna dig into that, and I'm going to tap the layouts. Okay. Taking that blending brush and I'm just blending it. I'm not, as you can see, I'm not going too far in or none of that. I'm staying like, I'm trying to stay on the outer part of my eyes because I want to put that lid color on. Okay, I'm thinking I just might stick to these two colors only because, you know, I never give y'all, I always give y'all these long tutorials. Why not give y'all a simple, easy tutorial to do? So we're gonna go in with just these two. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to kind of blend this out towards the brow bone area. Now, this step, you want to take your blending brush and tap. I want to go into my Nude by Juvia's Place. Don't forget to use my code, y'all. And I'm gonna use this peachy shade. It's so pretty. The second color from the first row. I'm gonna give y'all the brushes that I use, the names of the brushes. So I used a 167 brush, and then I went ahead and used this P. Louise brush, this blending brush, and to go back in to replace this one, I used the MAC brush. So 3 brushes in total, y'all, to create this look. I used this brush yesterday on my cousin's an E30 brush from Morphe, and this brush. And then the tip of this brush is like blending it for you. I'm gonna go into this color, and y'all, I want to make this look good. So I'm gonna blend out these outer edges. I'm gonna put these lashes on. These are so pretty, like, and so simple. Something easy for y'all to do. I did definitely want to come on here and give y'all a just basically 2-step shadow and how to blend that lid seamlessly. I'm gonna go in with my liquid liner from NYX. Damn, that was so easy to do. We're going to basically prep our face. I'm going to prep my face, and I'm going to be right back when it's time to apply the application, the makeup application. So I'm managing to get through this. I'm going to take my blush palette. This is the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm going to take this blush right here. Simple blush. So I'm putting the blush on top of the contour area. I'm not going in here. Now I'm about to spray my face down. That's some new highlighter. It's a Zoeva highlighter. I love the packaging. Sleek, glittery. Instead of using lip liners, I like to go in with a liquid lipstick to line my lips with brown. So I'm gonna take this one. It's a Maybelline number 85 liquid lipstick, well, matte ink, and I'm gonna line my lips with this. Those are colors chocolate wasted, but I don't use that one because I don't have it at the moment. That's the way you line them lips, baby. You gotta line them lips good. I like to wipe the inside off. My favorite liquid lipstick is Sand, Dust of Colors. MAC lip gloss in the center. This word is so little, I can't even see what the name of it is. I think it's called See Through. But I like to put See Through only in the center. A clear lip gloss. This is from Fenty. I'm gonna put my clothes on and I'm gonna come back with my ponytail on because I'm looking real bald head right now. I'm gonna come back with the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Let me know if y'all got this palette. I don't know if anybody got this palette. If y'all knew this palette was coming out, y'all just went ahead and snatched it up. I just went into Ulta today and was like, okay, I see this AT&T palette is giving me straight natural vibes, giving me straight everyday palette, is giving me straight baby is there for the natural vibes. This is another new palette that I have too right here. Let me know if y'all got this one as well. I don't know this lady right here. Her name is she a Morphe babe, Madison Beer. Y'all, I'm feeling this look. I just really hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if y'all would love more tutorials like these, like something quick, like I could do this. If y'all want more quick tutorials where I just do like 2 transition shades, a lid shade, so that y'all can like kind of get the hang of the gist of it. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you babies on the next tutorial.